Hello there, and welcome to another exciting episode of Name the Shape. Today we have a quadrilateral. As always, plot the points. And connect them. Okay, so we have here, my lines are a little bit squiggly, so maybe it's a parallelogram. Well, let's start testing for slopes. Okay, framing in my right triangle there, going from -8 up to -4, increase of 4, and 3 up to 10, vertical increase of 7. And I'm also going to be interested in what the slope is down here, so let's frame that one. So both of these have the same slope. These lines are parallel. Now let's test the other ones. Yeah, this one's a little bit longer, starting at -8 going up to +6. Actually, because this portion is 8 and this one's 6, it's just going to be 14. And then we got 5 here and 3 here for a total of 8. So this one's going down 8 over 14, and that reduces. They're both even. Oh, look what we got there. Okay, let's test the last one. It's like I'm getting the same thing. I'll just jot that down. Also -4/7. So this line here and this line here are parallel to each other. So we have these two are same slope, they're parallel. These two are same slope, parallel. So the whole shape's a parallelogram. But wait, there's more. Those slopes had an interesting relationship with each other when I reduced them. So that's telling me something about the angles involved. And I need to state that if I want to draw my next conclusion. They are opposite reciprocal slopes. Their product is -1, therefore they are perpendicular to each other. And I'll draw in that 90-degree angle that I tested for. Now, one of the properties of a parallelogram is once you get a single angle in there, this 90-degree angle, this one, the opposite one, also has to be 90. And these are supplementary to it. So if this is 90, this one up here is 90. This is 90, this one down here is 90. So as soon as you get one to be 90, as long as it's a parallelogram, which we showed, all of the rest of them fall into place too. So all those angles are 90, therefore it's a rectangle. So this one had a couple steps because it wasn't enough just to test the slopes here. That just showed that we had parallel lines. We also looked at the product of those slopes to get to the perpendicularity. Now I suppose there's one more step involved here, which is showing that, okay, it's a rectangle. Does it also happen to be a square? But obviously this length is much longer than this one. It's actually twice as long. Tune in next time for the final installment of Name the Shape. Character and Scholarship for Life.